YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what the goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. That is key. Now let's see what's inside. There we go. And we got here coming from TROND, TROND. Surge protector with USB charger and easy plug. You don't have to worry about much with this thing. 18-month warranty, 30-day money back. Alright. Let's see. There's all the info. TROND. Let's see what this looks like. Great for holiday decorations and whatnot. Christmas and Thanksgiving. Oh, Halloween next year. New Year's. Ooh. We seal it up. Seal this back up. And then now we're going to test it out. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. This is a good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then USBs. USB-C. Power. Yeah, buddy. This is a nice one. Velcro strap. See, I got a lot of like hard to reach outlets, and this cord will help a lot. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. If I could get this unzipped. There we go. There we go. Get that out of here. And another. Cut this off. There we go. Garbage there. Got that out of the way. And twist tie right here. There we go. Nice long cord. Yeah, this would be great for holiday decorations. See this? This is where the magic happens. Let me see if I can show you what I mean. Give me one sec. Gotta move some stuff around. Now you guys can see my outlet is kind of hard to reach, but not really. Now I just got a plug. Oh man, I can plug it in. That'd be great. Oh, come on. Even it's getting harder for me to reach. What the heck? Hold on. So there we go. Look at that. Now I got enough room here. Power's on. Now I just take my Alexa, plug it in. Here we go. Got that plugged in. I can do a vacuum cleaner, Christmas lights, USB phone charging, many more outlets. So like I said, all I gotta do now, just tuck it in. I got all those extra outlets. So I think I'm gonna keep that there. So like I said, YouTubers, if you're looking for a great surge protector, USB charger, 6 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, 1440 Joules? Never heard of that. And it's a slim plug, so for hard to reach places, it's a good one to get. Check them out, TROND, Amazon. Guys, be safe. Have a good night.